What to expect from Medicaid.
Animated icons, text, and characters act out what the narrator describes.
Medicaid is a program run by federal and state governments that pays for certain healthcare services for those who are eligible. Here's what to expect if you receive services from Medicaid, what it covers, and what you can do if your services are denied, paused, stopped, or reduced. Medicaid goes by different names in different states, and it's a separate program from Medicare. Medicaid pays for healthcare services to low-income families, people with disabilities, individuals receiving Supplemental Security Income, SSI, and other eligible groups. Some services are included in Medicaid, no matter what state or territory you live in, including doctor visits, inpatient and outpatient hospital services, mental health services, laboratory and X-ray services, and home health services. Your state or territory might also cover dental services, physical therapy, occupational therapy, case management, and more, depending on the rules in your state. Every state also operates Medicaid waiver programs called Home and Community-Based Services. HCBS waivers allow you to access services in your home, like home healthcare workers. If you're under 21, you have access to one of the most powerful rights under Medicaid, a program called Early and Periodic Screening, Diagnostic, and Treatment, or EPSDT, which covers a wide range of services. This even includes medically necessary in-home services like personal care attendants, skilled nursing, or other rehabilitation services. Unlike HCBS, states cannot have a waitlist for EPSDT services. If your Medicaid benefits are denied, paused, stopped, reduced, or your state didn't make a decision about your eligibility within a reasonable time period, you have the right to ask for something called a fair hearing. A Medicaid fair hearing is a process that investigates a decision by Medicaid to see if something needs to change. States usually have to continue providing services while you're going through the fair hearing process. At the fair hearing, you have the right to call and question witnesses, review documents and policies the Medicaid agency used to make its decision, and you can choose someone to represent you at the hearing. After the hearing, the Medicaid agency has to notify you of its decision in writing within a reasonable time. If the agency rules in your favor, it has to take action right away to implement its decision. If it doesn't rule in your favor, it must tell you what rights you have in that state to appeal the decision. Your state Medicaid agency must provide reasonable accommodations to allow you to fully benefit from the programs, like sign language interpretation, large print or braille for documents, or assistance with completing forms. And you have the right to access information in languages other than English. That's what you can expect from Medicaid. Remember that you have the right to advocate for yourself and be treated with respect.
For more information, contact Disability Rights Center, New Hampshire at 800-834-1721 or visit www.drcnh.org.